Okay, so I think I'm live. All right, we are going to be talking about the abacus. Here is my abacus. This is a teacher's abacus. This teacher's abacus, let's see, is pretty big. The cool thing about this abacus is that we can move this marker. This marker is going to show us um, our place value. When we're counting on the abacus, we want to be in the ones place. I'm not going to put it in the middle because it's super long and then I'd have to do this. And so I'm going to use this side. Hopefully this will get translated correctly. These are my ones, right? So on the abacus, we can look at our place value. Our place value is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Oh, so that worked out very well. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands, right? So one, that's one. All of these bottom beads has a value of 1. The top bead has a value of 5. So that is 5. When we count, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. What am I going to do? I don't have any more beads. Huh. Well, luckily for us, we have the 5 bead. The top bead is the 5 bead. So this is 5. Now, if you notice, when we add one more bead, that's 6. So when we start looking at it, we notice that this is 6. What happens when we do this? That's 7. And then 8, and then 9. Okay, but now what? We want to go 10. How do we do 10? Well, this is where the place value comes in, right? So to do 10, this is 1, but we got to make this 0. So now this is 10. 1, 0. With the place value, that's the tens. So we go 11, 12, 13, 14. And we run into the same problem. We can't do 15, can we? Well, 15 is the one on top. That's 15. So we have 16, 17, 18, 19. All right, now what? Well, just like before, we have 2. But to do 20, to 0, we have to make sure we zero this out. To 0 means that it does not touch the beam. This is the beam of the abacus. The frame is what holds the abacus, and then these are the columns, right? Just like place values. Column ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. And so when we start counting our tens, so we have 20, 30, 40. Again, we don't have any more beads at the bottom, but luckily we have the bead on top. So this will be 50. So then we have 60, 70, 80, 90, and then 100. So that is how we count to 100. Let's see, what else? On the abacus, we know that this is thousands. So we do hundreds, 200, 300, 400, and then 500, right? 600, whoops, 600, 700, 800, 900, and then 1,000. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000, 8,000, 9,000. Well, we can keep going, but because I put my counter over here, there's no more beats. There's no more columns for the rest of the beats. There's no more columns. But obviously, if I wanted to have more, I can move my marker in the middle. And then that would signify that this is my ones. But then I got to do this, and I'll be kind of like falling off the screen. so, so let's go back. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. And that's it. That is how we use the abacus. Yep. This is my teaching one. There's another one. Where is, oh, there it is. So this is the small one that I can use. I like this one because it's nice and colorful. This colorful one, again, right? With my students, they could see that the top bead is the blue bead, the top bead is 5. But because this is a student's abacus, you'll see that all the top beads are touching the beam. So we need to like lay it flat, and then from there we have to move all the beads up, and it will look like that, but lying down. So, anyways, because if you notice, it moves really nice. Um, so again, this is the ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That would be 4. Well, this would be 9, right? So it's nice because the kids will be able to see the difference, and they like the colorful beads. I like the colorful beads. I think it's pretty snazzy. So, anyways, well, I have the beads, and then if you're looking for more abacus, activities, I create a book. In this book, I have activities to like, which is already stuff, and then this helps understand what abacus is all about, and then they go all the way to adding and subtracting on the abacus. And that's it. All right, so that's it. I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time.